Hello, I'm with Mr. Michael Rosenberg from E.J Krause and Associates Inc. He's the VP of the company, and it's a pleasure to have you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
You too. They are one of the organizers too of SMM India 2009, and we would like to thank them first of all for putting us as one of the media partners for SMM India. Thank you so much once again, sir.
No,
And
delighted.
could you tell us something about E.J Krause and Associations?
Yes, we're based in the United States. We are the second largest privately held conference and trade show organizer in the world. We organize about 40 exhibitions and conferences every year in 10 different countries in a variety of industries. In the industrial sector, manufacturing, food, oil and gas, very much in the technology field, in the security field as well. Our flagship event is Expo Calm, which is a technology telecommunications event, which we hold in 9 countries. The biggest one is in China. We have maybe 150,000 people attend, and it's one of the biggest shows of its type in the world. And now we're entering the India market.
So, is there anything else apart from that you'd like to tell?
Well, I can talk about India. We're here really because we feel that the Indian market is the future. It's really at its infancy right now. For example, we entered the China market with the trade show 25 years ago. We were one of the first companies to come in, and now we're one of the most successful organizers, helping companies from around the world that want to sell into China. They come to our trade fairs. Likewise, here, when we had the opportunity to speak to the city of Hamburg about being their partner to bring SMM, which is the biggest and the most important trade fair in the world for shipbuilding and for the maritime industry, to India, we thought this was a good investment and a good opportunity. We also have an Indian partner, Interads. They are the largest organizer of trade shows here in India. So our intent is to have more events that we do here in India and eventually open an office and really expand in this market. We feel that based on what our analysts are telling us is that India will become perhaps the third major superpower in years to come. They are already a major player on the world stage. Great opportunities. The government regulations are starting to open up. Companies are starting to invest, and what we're really pleased about, and the reason that we made the investment together with the city of Hamburg to bring SMM to India is because over the last 2 years, as you well know, most countries in the world were in economic downturn, whereas here in India, they were on the upturn. China as well. Both countries are doing quite well, but India particularly, we feel, has just a tremendous future. And we expect that SMM India will become the leader in India for shipbuilding, shipyards, offshore technologies, and related industries. India itself is starting to, through its shipyards, to build more ships here. And they need technology, they need suppliers, they need equipment to be able to successfully develop and produce more ships.
Thanks a lot, sir. It was a pleasure.
My pleasure.
Thanks a lot.